Hi traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Fisher transform with the stochastic oscillator. Okay, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. We're going to start by adding both indicators to the chart. All right. Okay, so the Fisher transform and the stochastic oscillator are both momentum indicators designed to identify potential reversal points in the market. Okay, now the stochastic oscillator compares the closing price to the highest high and the lowest low over a specific period, right? Feel free to modify the length according to your taste, right? Okay, now that produces two lines. It produces two lines. The indicator produces two lines that oscillate between 0 and 100, right? Between 0 and 100, helping traders identify overbought and oversold conditions. Overbought usually above 70 or maybe 80, right? Usually above 80. Then oversold usually below 20. Okay. So traders often watch for crossovers between the two lines. You know, the crossover to the upside indicating a bullish move and crossover to the downside indicating a bearish move, right? So basically, the crossovers occur between the two lines, specifically around the 20 and 80 levels. Okay, for because those are potential reversal zones. Then the Fisher transform takes a different approach. It applies a mathematical transformation to price data to convert price movement into a more normalized distribution. So this transformation can make extreme price movements stand out more clearly, which may help highlight potential turning points in the market. Because of its transformation process, the Fisher transform can sometimes produce sharper reversal signals, while the stochastic oscillator provides a more traditional momentum reading. Okay, both indicators aim to identify momentum extremes, but they do so using different mathematical approaches. All right. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.